Hello everyone and welcome to my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on December the 10th, 2021 in Pamplona, Navarra, Spain. Navarra is in a very critical and very extraordinary situation due to the overflowing rivers that affect the community. The most complicated area on Friday morning is the north of the Pamplona region, and it is expected to reach Peralta, Funes and Falces. The Arga river is the one that causes more complications. To move across the city when the streets are flooded, blocked and cut by traffic is almost impossible. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.